how to turn off freeze your Naya Pay debit card. Hey everyone, welcome back to Mastery. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to turn off freeze your Naya Pay debit card via the mobile app step by step. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open the Naya Pay app. First, unlock your phone and open the Naya Pay app. Ensure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Go to the Cards section. Tap the Cards tab in the bottom menu to view all your linked cards. Step 3. Select the card you want to turn off. Locate the card you want to freeze, the active one you're currently using. Step 4. Tap Freeze Card. Tap the Freeze Card option beneath your card image. Freezing will temporarily disable all transactions, but recurring payments like subscriptions will still go through Site Earn Search. Step 5. Confirm with MPIN. You'll be asked to enter your Naya Pay MPIN to confirm. Once confirmed, your card is officially turned off and cannot be used until you unfreeze it. Why freeze instead of block? Freezing is ideal if you've misplaced your card. You can unfreeze anytime in the app. Blocking is permanent. Once blocked, your card cannot be reactivated, and you must order a new one, Site Earn Search. Outro? And that's how you turn off freeze your Naya Pay debit card in seconds. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to How to Mastery, and leave a comment if you need help. Thanks for watching.